Hi guys, today we're doing one-step equations with adding and subtracting. Okay, I'm going to go through I think 5 examples and hopefully we'll get the idea of what we're going. Alright, so we have x is our variable plus 7 equals 10. Alright, what I want to do is get x by itself. Okay, so now to get x by itself I have to get rid of this plus 7. And in order to do that, we use the opposite operation. So our operation that connects x to something right now is addition. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. So I need to subtract to get rid of this 7. And what should I subtract? Well, I should subtract 7. Because 7 minus 7 gives me 0. And then there's nothing else on that side, so it's just x plus 0, which is the same thing as just x. So if I'm going to get x by itself, I got to get rid of that 7, and to do it, I subtract 7. Now, the most important rule when we're doing these is whenever you do something to one side of the equal sign, you have to do it to the other. So I subtracted 7 from this side, now I need to subtract 7 from that side. Okay, so then these cross out, we're left with just x equals 10 minus 7 is 3. So now I solved my problem because I got x by itself to equal some number. Okay, let's do the next one. Now we have x minus 3 equals 2. Okay, again, we need to use the opposite operation to get rid of whatever is attached to x. Right now we have attached a minus 3. Okay, the opposite operation of minus is plus. So x, and now I need to add 3 to it to get rid of the minus 3. And again, what I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. So I add 3 to this side, I add 3 to that side. These cancel out and leave me with just x equals, and now we have 2 plus 3, and that equals 5. So my answer is x equals 5. Okay, now this one, a little bit different, but it's the same process. We have 4 plus y equals 2. Okay, because in addition, it doesn't matter if 3 plus 4 equals 7 or 4 plus 3 equals 7. It's called the community property of addition. It doesn't matter which order they're in. It's just the same process. But we have a 4 out front, and this is a plus 4. Even though the symbol's not there, it just means it's a positive 4. And to get rid of a positive 4, we need to subtract 4 from it. And what I do to one side of the equation, I have to do to the other. So 4 minus 4, that cancels out. All I'm left with is y equals 2 minus 4 gives me a negative 2. So my final answer is y equals negative 2. Alright, here we have two y's. We have 2y equals y plus 3. Okay, that's fine. We need to get y by itself. So first we're going to move all of the y's to one side so that I can try to get them by themselves. So I'm going to actually subtract y from both sides. And now 2y minus y leaves me with just y equals y minus y. That cancels out. So my answer is 3. Y equals 3. Alright, last one. X minus 4 equals negative 3. Okay, we have a subtraction sign. We have to do the opposite operation. That's addition. So I'm going to add 4 to both sides. X minus 4 plus 4, those 4's cancel. So I'm just left with x equals negative 3 plus 4 actually gives me 1. So we have x equals 1. And that's all we have to do. The next video is on multiplication and division of these, so check that one out also.